Welcome back to my channel. I did an order at Blitsy. I shouldn't be ordering anything. I did a haul in January for like the year of stuff that I had already purchased and didn't use, and now that I'm getting back into it, I want all the pretty new things too. Ugh. I need to be like enrolled in, Scrapbookaholic Anonymous, like for real. Like if there's like a local meeting that we meet once a week to discuss on how to do no spend and no buying because you have to use your stash and not get the new collections, I need to be in that group. But you know that we can't help ourselves. I mean, all the stuff, like I got my hands on the new Maggie Holmes. Like I had to. Maggie Holmes, Paige Evans is also coming out with another collection, and Amy Tangerine, and these are my girls. My girls. So let me go through Blitsy, and then I'm not going to lie. I have another haul after this for Tuesday morning Hobby Lobby / Michael's because I hit the mother load of all the Maggie Holmes things too. So let's get into it. So I did get the Maggie Holmes collection except for her thicker pack, and yeah, that's all I didn't pick up, I think, because I got everything else. So I got the dimensional paper flowers that truly just look like crepe paper, and so I'm trying to think that I could probably recreate these again once I use this pack up. These aren't Maggie Holmes. I got the embossed gold metallic stickers, and I kind of feel like you have to like snip them so that they're individual pieces because it looks like it's all one sheet, and I don't want to use the whole sheet on one layout, but let's be honest, I probably could. But they're like embossed too. You can see the texture on them, but they need a little bit of surgery. The 6x12 sticker collection. This is really pretty. And I do believe on Blitsy it's probably already sold out. Let's be honest, Blitsy goes quick. But if you want to get your hands on some of it, I thought I saw that the March kit for Hip Kit Club features a lot of these elements. So you can probably get some of the Maggie Holmes there. So I got the chipboard sheet as well. And I'm not gonna lie, before when I first started scrapping, and maybe like 4 years ago, I really didn't like making my layouts two-dimensional, but times are changing. I do actually like fun foam and the dimensional elements that chipboard brings, and so I'm digging it. I'm digging it. And then on Blitsy, you'll never get individual papers on Blitsy. They always just sell the paper pad, but the paper pad quality is kind of coming up, I feel. It's not the thickest cardstock you'll ever work with, especially if you want to do mixed media, but it can sustain some wet medium if you do want to get through it. And another thing I will say about the paper pad this time too, there's no repeats. Everything is a single sheet, which threw me for a little bit because usually, like you'll get 24 pages and then it'll repeat itself in the back, but I literally have one of everything on this, so I'm like scared to use it so far. Like I've been trying to think about like what's the first layout I'm gonna do. Am I gonna cut into like 10 sheets or just one or the couple? So let me zoom in a little bit and so you can see what the designs are for this paper pad, and I'll go rather quickly. So here's a cut apart element, and this also is has gold embossed on it. This one's a little whimsical, a navy background with a peachy floral. This black and white sort of cut up, a gorgeous floral. Another gorgeous floral. This one has the gold embossed. A pink foliage repeating pattern. A border on cream. This is like a blush background, but I'm fussy cutting those butterflies out. I love this little citrus orange one going on. This mandala doily kind of look. A aqua background with gold embossed birds, navy and light pink stripe, almost like a tile looking repeating pattern on blue, a cute little kind of element little icon page that could be fussy cutted really cute, another repeating like tile pattern page, a cream and pink stripe. Ooh, my camera, sorry that hit that. Ooh, sorry guys. We have seashells that are also gold embossed, almost like a mermaid scaled page. Cream background, navy and green and pink little hash marks. A lovely floral on a mustard. A cream classic polka dot. A fun watermelon. A lovely you and me gold embossed on text. Really cool. Be a nice background. Everyone in the pool. This is gorgeous. I think this one's called Umbrellas, so like looking at the top, I really like that one a lot. This nice simple polka dot with gold, almost like mustard and pink. Another cut apart sheet, a text, This one is probably the highlighted page of the whole paper pad. Gold foil floral, a repeating pattern. This is like the color scheme, which I do like the color palette for it. This aqua minty mint and cream repeating pattern, almost like a cut apart with the calendars and some cameras, and then a peach with a mustard bordered pattern paper. So those are all the paper pad pages for Sunny Days. Like I said, I only get one of everything. There's nothing that's repeated. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like that because I feel like I got the whole collection right now in the paper pad, and I do believe this was only like $13 on there. I also just picked up, because I didn't have them yet, the whimsical enamel shapes. And then this is not a part of this collection. This is a part of Adventure Awaits by Jen Hadfield and Pebbles. It's called Adventure. But I thought these thickers could work for some layouts that I use with the Sunny Days collection. So I picked up that one because the thickers were sold out already from Blitsy on the Maggie Home. So that's all of my scrapbooking stuff. Then I got a few things for my mixed media love. I got the Ken Oliver Mister. I was going to get the Ranger Distress one, but I hear that the nozzle on this one has three different openings, so you can control how you mist. Plus, these also work really well. I've been watching some videos with his color burst, which are in essence how I understand them, and I do have 3 colors from a long time ago, but he's coming out with more and more colors. These are almost like powdered watercolors, and like you sprinkle these around the page, and then like you instantly like wet them down, and the effects are gorgeous. And so I was like binge watching videos from Creativation, and so I was like, I'm getting some more. So I got a bunch of fun colors. This pack was called Florals. It comes with peony, marigold, Naples yellow, sap green, Parisian blue, and wisteria. And then I picked up platinum, which is like the silver metal shiny color. I could have gotten a gold one too. I don't know why I didn't, but maybe next order I'll do it. But just for some extra feature. And actually, oh, this one's called Liquid Metals. This one is actually a liquid one. These are still powders, so that's going to be the difference. I got my hands on, I think this is the original pack of collage paper from Dina Wakley, and I kept it from Blitsy from the box. But you can see that they're all just black and white pages, you know, to kind of use matte gel medium into your scrapbooking or art journal pages. And then I picked up, as always, another Crafter's Workshop stencil. This one is gorgeous, always a good floral for me, and this one is called Floral Statement. So it's almost like a mask, actually. And then I can do the rest for that. So that is my Blitsy haul. I'm excited about this sprayer, to be honest, and my little Ken Oliver color burst. And of course, Maggie Home. So I can start making some layouts this weekend using this fun kit. And, you know, follow me on Instagram if you don't. It's life.with.Evie, E-V-I, where you can see a lot of my layouts there. And yeah, I'm going to film another haul because it was going to be too long with this one. So stay tuned for another one shortly. Have a good weekend and have a good day. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye.